Okay, guys, welcome back. And this is the lecture about your compound interest. That what is compound interest? So you have to understand that compound interest means that your money grows not only on the original amount you put in, but also on the interest you have already earned. So it is like money making more money. Money making more money. Think of it like planting a tree. So first year it's a small plant, but next year it grows branches, then those branches grow leaves, and over time the growth speed up and you get a big shady tree. So that is how compound interest works. Slower at the first, then faster and faster. Now, if you see here, we have here an example. This is the example of your compound interest. Okay, this is just like you say that you start with a $5,000. Now the interest rate is 7% per year. This is your interest rate, 7% per year. You don't add anything monthly. You don't add anything monthly. After 20 years, your money grows to this amount. This is your final balance, and this is up to 20 years, and their monthly contribution is just zero. So what of this 15,000? This is the total. This is total interest. Out of this amount, this one, if you see here, the 20,194. This is 15,195 is your pure interest, your original amount, which was this one. You see here, let me this one 5,000. You got 5,000, and now you have interest, the pure interest of $15,194. So your money multiplied about how much time? 4 times. Interest multiplied is 4 times. 15,000 multiplied by 4. Okay, so the money is this one. So this shows that how just leaving money alone for a time makes it grow bigger. Now I will show you in the graph. You see here. If you look at, let me remove this. Okay, now go here. Yes. Okay. Now here we have graph. In this graph, yeah, this is your graph. Clear? This graph shows three parts. It's three parts. The first one is light blue, and the light blue shows your money, mean the your money, that is the 5,000 you put in. You see here, this is the light contributed. Then this medium blue, interest on. This is interest on, and this one a dark blue, which is your total balance. Now you see here from this figure, you see this is your. Let me use this one now here. I think this one. This is the 5,000 your contribution here, and now after that you will have this one. If you see, this is your interest on, and now this one is your total balance. Okay, so at first the line grows slowly, but after 10 year, you see here from here is the 10 year. Yeah, this one. But after 10 year, what happened? After 10, you see from 10 to 15, from this one to here, you see it start curving upward sharply. You see, this is just, let me use this one. You see, this is just sharply, going from here, from here. Okay. Now that curve is the magic of the compounding. So the longer you wait, the faster it grows. Now here we have the three things that you have, the three core idea that you will have to understand. The first one is, okay, here we have the three core ideas, the three forces. Yeah, this one. The first one, you will have the red. You see this one. This means that the higher interest rate, the faster doubling. For example, 7% doubles in 10 years. The 14% definitely will double in 5 years. So this is the first, you may say like the force, the first. So the three forces driving growth is, the first one is red, the second one is the time, and the third one is contribution. So the first one you understand, red, the higher the red, the faster is the doubling. Then you will have a time. This is the time is, by time we mean here, the biggest factor here is the timing. Starting early matter more than how much you invest. So this is the big one. Starting early matter far more than the amount you invest. Okay, this is very important and very logical. Then you will have contribution. This contribution mean that even a small monthly deposit make a huge difference over decades. Adding even a small monthly amount dramatically increase the final result. And so we have three main forces, three forces that drive the growth. The first one is red, the second one is the time, and the third one is contribution. Okay, and at last we have rules. That is a rule of 72. Rule of 72. Here, this means this is a shortcut to estimate doubling time. Divide 72 by your interest. Let's say at 7% divided by 72 divided by 7, then you will get us equivalent to 10 years. So monthly doubling. If you divide 72 by 9, then it means doubling will be the 8 year. So easy way to quickly guess how fast your money grow, then the rule is very simple. You have to divide that 72 by your interest rate, then you will get that how many years you will have to wait for doubling the money. Clear? So we have understand that if you put 5,000 at 7%, what happened? It's very simple. And 10 year, it's about 10,000. Mean and 20 year, 20,000. And 30 year, it's 40,000. And see how it speed up later. That is the compound. That is compound. So we have understand about compounding. It's an interesting topic. I hope you have understand this. So thank you for watching.